Okay, hi, this is Chris Cosby again, and I'm going to actually, on this video with gut health, I'm going to talk about food, because everyone can eat that or do that, and hopefully afford that. So here are just some top foods that I'm going to share with you that you can start eating to help with your gut, with bringing balance to your gut and helping to repair gut lining. Pomegranates, the little emperors. You can get them pre-done in the store, or you can buy pomegranates yourself and open them up and put them in and freeze those emperors and use them in a smoothie, or eat them on their own. Aloe vera comes in juice. Make sure I get organic aloe vera juice, and you can just swallow it down. There's no taste to it. Or you can, if you get a plant, you can do it that way too. Bone broth, tallow. I've been adding tallow to using it as cooking lately. French fries that have tallow on them, I've been eating as well. And I've noticed that my belly's been better, even better than it was. Avocado, really good because it's good fat. Tallow is a good fat. Olive oil. You can even get olive oil in a supplement if you don't want to have the olive oil. And that'll help your gut balance. Manuka honey is really good too. Dandelion, these are teas, so you can eat dandelion. You can actually grow it yourself, and I put it in my smoothie every day. Well, not every day, but most days. You can also do dandelion tea, so that's like another form of homeopathic where you're having the tea instead of drops. And then Pau d'Arco tea is a really good one. Look it up. It's PAUDARCO. It help with different, if you have parasites or if you have different bowel pathogens. Pau d'Arco helps calm that fungal, candida, anything like that. Because you want to find out if that's what you have. And if you do have that, then there's ways to help get candida out, parasites out, things like that. But there are foods that can help remove that. Ginger, turmeric. So just some ideas. And if you have more interest in this, you can certainly connect with me at the link down below and we can discuss it more. Thanks for listening. Bye.